Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 10.3 question number 2. Is it possible to have a polyhedron with any given number of faces? The answer is no. His answer is no. A polyhedron has a minimum number of faces is 4. A polyhedron, a polyhedron, a polyhedron, a polyhedron, a polyhedron has a minimum number, has a minimum, has a minimum number of 4 faces, right? Is it possible to have a polyhedron with any given number of faces? This is no, because a polyhedron has a minimum number of 4 faces. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.